Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my little kitchen. Tonight I'm gonna be doing a really countryside, y'all. Imagine that. And that is some okra fritters. It's pretty simple to put together, and you probably got some stuff on hand. And once again, I know people's vegetables are just coming in out their ears, and sometimes it's nice to just have something different to do with the ordinary. Now we've done fried okra, okra perlo, honey. If you have not seen that one, go find my recipe, my video for okra perlo. You will not be disappointed. Bacon, rice, okra, honey, can't go wrong. So we are going to start this with some okra. Now I've got most of this done. Now this recipe, I will put the full recipe in. I'm trying to split this one in half because me and James Russell don't need all of these, but you want to just cut your ends off your okra, and of course everybody knows that. And we're just going to cut these really thin. I done got flour I've been doing, but we're just going to cut them as thin as you can, and because this batter cooks fairly fast, so you want these, you don't want big hunks of okra that's going to be raw in the middle, right?
No.
So just
crunchy fritters.
Thin. That's right. Thin for the win.
And that's why we're only doing half, because you want them crunchy. You don't want it to, anything you have to reheat. You don't. You know how fried stuff is.
You have a soggy, just a big old
soggy mess. It's not good. You want to eat it fresh.
Not.
It's just how it is.
Now, if all the whole family's over, honey, do the whole thing.
The full recipe.
Yes.
Right. It's just me and
just
my
us.
Lovely better half. So it's just us tonight. So that's what we're gonna cook. Yeah.
So anyway, normally it would be 2 cups of okra, which I've got a good cup and probably half, and I'm just gonna work with it. I don't mind a little extra okra. Do you?
No.
I love me some okra, y'all. Any kind of way you do it.
That's my favorite time of year. All them vegetables is starting to come in. Y'all can look over to the left on the counter and see all that.
Yeah,
oh,
don't
Lord.
look at my counter right now.
Woo. Y'all.
Back to this, Russell.
Yeah, but I can't help it. It's in the picture.
Yes, it's been. Listen, I've been a canning and a doing, and it is what it is. That's what we just gonna say, honey. It is what it is. But we'll be enjoying it through the winter, right?
Yes.
We pop them tops. All right, now I have got just some self-rising cornmeal, not the mix, just cornmeal, and just like so, self-rising. And we are going to, and I've got 3/4 cup already in here. All right. And then we're going to put a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. We're going to, we're going to just mix, give this a little mix. Let's get this up out the way. I'm done with that. Just give that a little mix like so. I'm just going to go ahead and put some seasoning in here. I've got a little accent. Y'all know, don't do it if you don't want it. A little salt, pepper, and I am going to do just a little onion powder. I don't want to take away from the okra flavor, but we're already going to put some onion in it. So about a teaspoon of onion powder. You can put garlic powder in if you want to, whatever, however you want to do it. It's your kitchen. Now a little salt, a little pepper, a little accent, and a little onion powder. Now we're gonna put this little egg in there. 1 egg. Booyah. And like I said, y'all, I will put the whole recipe. Now we're gonna put about 3/4 cup of good old buttermilk. I already gave that a little shake. 3/4 cup in there. It's looking kind of dry in there, wasn't it?
It was.
Looking a little dry.
It's looking like it's healthy.
And I'm going to put a half an onion. And we're just going to give all this a mix. I'm going to put that okra in there last. So we don't want a whole big old mess. A whole big old mess. A whole bowl of it.
That looks like that's going to be something good, y'all.
Yes, it does.
Yeah.
All right. Now, let me get something and just fold these in. We just go fold these little okra in, honey. We're gonna be tender. Dump them in. In she goes. Sticking to me. Another thing about cutting them so thin is they're not slimy. They're not real slimy like that.
That's right.
Oh, Well, I'll just lay that there. So we're just going to fold these around. So you're going to have plenty of okra in this. Probably I could use a little more. You know what? I think I might use a little more. I'll just go by the recipe. How about that? Let's just do that, Russell.
Okay.
Because I don't think this will be quite enough.
You want a little bit more batter.
So
you have more okra than you thought.
I have more okra than I thought. Okay. So it's going to be about a cup and a half of the cornmeal. So we can.
Well, I don't mind it being a little more crunchy anyway.
I know.
It'd be good with me.
I know. And my little flour, I done put it back. You know what I said? I said, let me move my old fancy canister of flour here and just measure it out. Now look what I did. It backfired on me.
Yeah.
Now let me get it. Let me grab it. And about another about another fourth of this. Then, that was more than a fourth, wasn't it?
Maybe a little bit more.
Let me dip some out. I ain't feeling real good about that.
Oh, well, it'd be all right.
Y'all, it is what it is.
Hey, you undo what you do.
That's exactly right. Okay, now, feeling a little better about that. Now we're going to finish adding the rest of that milk. I did 3/4 cup, so a total of 1.5 cups of this. So let's do another 3/4 cup of buttermilk. Now, we'll give it one more little stir. All right, now I'm gonna put just a little bit more salt and pepper, and I think that 1 teaspoon of onion powder was fine because that was what I would have done for a whole one anyway. Just a little bit more salt, nothing crazy. Now, this is what it's looking like. Ooh, yummy, yummy.
Wee.
And these little suckers about to be in the pan, honey, doing big things.
Doing their best self.
Yes,
yeah.
Yes. All right, I'm gonna get the oil hot. We just got some vegetable oil back there, and we gonna start frying these up. Take 2. All right. Whole thing fell off. Good Lord. All right, we just gonna scoop it in here like so. I hope it's hot enough. Oh yeah, she's a sizzling. And I'm just gonna kind of mash it around because you don't want it too thick. Look up there. Get another one. I already smell them onions in it. You smell it?
Absolutely. That aroma.
I just like to mash it with this. You can mash it whatever. I might need to turn my heat down a little bit. I don't want to get too hot too fast. Give a little mashy mash. Boom, boom. I'm already going to flip this one, y'all, because it's looking brown. She's looking real brown. Hold on. Lordy. Flip them away. Here we go. Frying them like a little pancake, ain't we?
Looks good to me. Okra pancakes.
I don't want to get you. I'm trying to avoid getting
you. don't have to worry about me.
All right. Flip away. Do what we're supposed to.
That's what Zoom's for, baby.
All right. And like I said, these cook rather fast, so you don't you don't want to have damn okra, big old hunks of okra in there.
Cut it thin for the win,
That's
y'all.
right.
There's your tip of the day.
Thin for the win.
Take from this recipe.
That's right.
And it won't be slimy.
And you can
that's what I got from it.
Good. You picking up what I'm putting down
That's
there.
exactly right. I'm the apprentice, y'all. That's what you got to pay attention. Well, it looks good.
It does. And you can flip them more than once, y'all. There's no rule. No rule at all. This one, we'll just keep him on that side.
He looks like he's doing
all right, y'all. Don't do this, but this is how I do it.
Because she has hands of stone, y'all.
Y'all don't
do
what
not
I
do that at home.
Don't do it. So that's how I roll. Sorry, but y'all, this is so good. You can use this as a little appetizer. You can do like little ranch, a little buttermilk ranch, and dip in it.
I love it.
Some people will eat it with butter. Not that
I love the ranch. That's my thing.
I
could
do
eat fried
too.
okra and ranch all day.
Yes. Have y'all ever had that? Oh my word!
Next level.
It really is. Don't knock it till you try it.
Oh,
but yeah, fried
fantastic.
okra. All right, this is gonna come out. There we go. It didn't, I'm gonna let this one sit a little more minute. This one's ready. I can feel it. It gets firm and nothing soft in the middle.
Ooh, I can't tell you how good that
Yummy,
smells,
yummy.
y'all. We need smell-o-vision.
Yes, we do. All right, here goes number 3. And see, it's making a lot, and I still have plenty left. So that's why I was trying to just do a half of a serving for us. So it looks like we'll be sharing something or doing something with it. And we got us some good old ribs. Russell smoked some pork barbecue ribs.
Yes, I did.
So this is
Y'all, I worked all day on Father's Day smoking.
He really did.
But I enjoyed it. I enjoy treating the ones I love, and that's what we do. She
He-
does it way more than me, but
And normally, though, you wouldn't do that on Father's Day.
no, I wouldn't do it on Father's Day.
I normally
but
cook him whatever he wants.
She
on
does.
Father's
She really
Day.
does go out of her way normally on.
But he wanted to surprise his dad.
Yep.
His dad loves him some smoked stuff.
Yep.
So he was just doing. He smoked pork ribs, beef ribs, and some pork belly, y'all. Whew, Lord, it was good.
Yeah.
It was delicious.
I had them rolling.
He did. He really did. But we've had a big week. Tomorrow is our anniversary.
Yep.
20 years.
Yeah.
20 years. How about that?
Yeah, we've been hanging around together a while.
So we have. We've been at it for a little minute now. But I'm just going to finish these up. Y'all don't need to see me do all these. And then James Russell give a little taste and tell y'all what he thinks of it. All right, y'all. All ready? Ready for Russell to give me a little taste.
Ready for supper, y'all.
Give him a little chew and do. He's got a little slab of pork ribs.
Got me some ranch, too.
Got me a little ranch. Little ranch on the side. I hear the crunch. Nice and crispy.
It don't get no better than fresh okra.
It really don't.
I'm telling you. I just love this time of year, y'all.
Yes.
Squash and okra start to come in. And
Yep. And I just told him, speaking of squash, this is excellent with squash too.
same recipe deal?
Yes, same deal. Squash, you can do zucchini. You can do squash and zucchini. You can do okra and squash together. You can do all kind of stuff.
Y'all, listen. Don't be sleeping on this ranch.
No.
Don't be sleeping.
It's
Give
good.
it a try. Hey, for real.
Yep. But it's a great way to use up vegetables as well that maybe about to be on the way out the door. Get your little rag there.
Yeah.
And so it's a great way to use them up. Don't let your stuff ruin. It's a shame. Don't let your vegetables.
Goodness. Don't
let them go.
No.
But anyway, very good. And y'all see it was very quick. It's just a little side. This is good for any kind of barbecue. Whatever.
Fried okra and barbecue just kind of, it's like a marriage made in heaven almost. Yep.
Yes. Oh, and listen, y'all, we got us a little gift I wanted to show you. Russ, Miss Chris at the gym.
I came home with that today. She came by and saw
so
me and gave it to
excited.
me. She's such a sweet lady.
This is a homemade vanilla.
Yeah.
How about that?
She makes her own vanilla. And
just awesome.
yeah, we'll definitely put that to use. And
cannot
she can't
wait
wait to
to
try
try
it.
it.
So that's coming
Yes.
soon, and she will be
will
using it in a
be. I
video, and she
will.
can't wait to try it.
Yes, so sweet, y'all. We have the sweetest.
We do. We have such
sweetest
nice people that we
do.
meet in person, and the people at the gym support us.
Yes.
I love talking to them, and yeah,
All
she's
his
one of
little
them,
buddies.
and yeah, she's one of them.
I'm not always in there with him, but I tell everybody, I say I do exercise every day.
She does. She just doesn't get to go the same
don't
time
go
as
the
me,
same time.
and you know she goes on occasion, but usually it's on the weekends, and a lot of people are not in there on the weekends.
But I'm a doing.
She's a doing and doing.
Anyway.
She is, and this is the kind of stuff that makes doing this special. So we
Yes.
appreciate that.
And made with heart, with her heart.
yes.
Straight from her heart.
Sweetheart
I
of
love
a
that.
lady, she really is. And
But anyway, we did want to say thank you so much.
yes, and thank you, Miss Chris. We
Yes.
absolutely will use it. 100%.
Yes, we will.
Yep.
But anyway, y'all give the little okra fritters a try.
Yeah, good
Some people
stuff.
call them patties. They, you call them all kind of stuff.
Pancakes, whatever.
Whatever
yeah.
you want to call them, honey.
Yeah.
But it's fritter,
Call
whatever.
them delicious in your belly.
Yes, call them gone when you make them. It's like, I'll be gone.
Quick.
Yes, and you can make them smaller. But anyway, I like using a little ice cream scoop and just doing it out. But anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching us.
Yeah, we appreciate and love every one of you.
We do.
Yep.
And until next time.
Peace.